All right, Rob Frazier here. Just wanted to do just like a short little overview of PLS AI Automation Academy. So Power Lead System, the new product, AI Automation Academy. So there's a couple of steps to it. And what I'm going to suggest doing is if you are in AI, get the lead lightning and just see how the AI works with you and follows up with you. So aside from all of that, here's just a couple things I want to share. PLS, the AI Automation Academy, is one class every single month by Jeff Mills for a total of 12 classes. And in fact, let me go over here to where I have the PDF. So AI Automation Academy with Jeff Mills. And also, I will say all of this information is stuff you 100% can use outside of affiliate marketing. There's a lot of programs that say AI, but it's only if you are in affiliate marketing. Whereas this class, you can take these exact skills and use it to promote other things, to do these things for other business owners, people with brick and mortar businesses, services. I use this to promote my handyman business. I'm using this to promote my tech laptop repair business. So there's different angles you can do with this. And it's not just, oh, you join it just to use the AI to promote the program itself. No, this is not like that at all. And also just want to give a shout out to Edward Keat. You are the person I have in mind for this video. So if you're watching this, just understand where all this is coming from. Also, the rest of you guys on YouTube watching me too, it's for you too. But, you know, there's a guy I was shooting this for. So anyway, You in a Box, AI Music for Business, AI Podcast Academy, and Inbound AI Assistance. We've been through these 4 classes, like I said, every single month. We're 4 months in. He releases a new class. I have used You in a Box. I've used AI Music. I didn't do the AI podcast because I'm not a big fan of the AI little babies doing a podcast. Yeah, I like some stuff to be like real human type stuff. But the inbound AI assistance, absolutely powerful. And all of these things you still can use for other people. So anyways, this right here is basically, we have our own Facebook group. It's outside of the Power Lead System. Jeff Mills put a lot of good stuff together. And also, I will say, I went through the $5,000 Billy Jean is marketing, the Genius AI course that he has, and this stuff you're learning here is comparable. It's like par the same, and you're spending nowhere near $5,000. So, anyways, this right here is what I first started saying. This right here is the lead lightning offer from Power Lead System. Now, the thing is, whenever I use Lead Lightning to basically promote my primary business, I promote Lead Lightning first, and people get on my autoresponder. AI follows up with your buyer leads. That's one thing Neil has just recently added. Whenever somebody comes through and purchases Lead Lightning from you, the AI will send them text messages, call them on the phone, leave them messages. When they call back, the AI will actually respond and answer questions and schedule an appointment with Neil Guest, the CEO, the real in person, to set up an appointment and for Neil to basically work with your buyer leads. So that is something that's absolutely vital. Basically, it's like a hidden done for you closing type system. That's right there from the Lead Lightning. And if you join Lead Lightning, you join at the one time $7, and you promote it, you get someone buying, the AI is going to be following up for you. It's just automatic. In fact, Neil just dropped a video about that. And if I remember, I'll link it in this video. So anyway, I just wanted to kind of go back over here real quick. You in a Box. Let me see. Did I have my TikTok up here? Yes, You in a Box. You'll learn this right here. Let's see my video. So basically, you'll learn how to make you in a box, and then you can add some animations to it. What I have found, these things, not whoops, I accidentally paused the video I was shooting. But this thing right here, you can hand these out to other business owners and get their attention. And that's an easy way to get your foot in the door. And I just say, hey, look, hand out one action figure a day. Like, I know a personal chef, I gave her an action figure. I know another handyman, I gave him an action figure. And it's an instant callback. Hey, I like what you're doing there. Could you do anything else? And that gets your foot in the door with other real businesses who want to do these things for them. So that was just the U in a, and you'll learn that through the U in a Box course. AI Music for Business. Going over here to Suno.com. Some people love Suno. Some people don't like Suno. I absolutely love it because, you know, I've created 2 songs. Let me see if I can go to my library here about what I'm promoting online. And if I would have set it up right there, I would have actually had this. Let me pause. All right. I'm going to stop that right there. But basically, I've created music to promote the systems that I'm promoting online. And you can do this with, like, say it's Christmas and you're launching a big Christmas special. You create a Christmas jingle song to promote your business. You can create rap songs, country songs, R&B, electronic, techno, all sorts of different types of things you can do. You come here, you can create music, and then you can tie it into whatever it is you're promoting online. And, you know, so you'll learn, you can go to Suno outside of PLS AI Academy, but within the AI Automation Academy, Jeff Mills goes deep dives into it. And he also has a GPT that you could just plug into and create music that sounds decent that you can use to promote your business. And so lastly, I want to talk about these inbound AI assistants. I'm going to wrap this up. My video's getting a little long. This page. So this page right here. When you join Power Lead System, you will actually have a bot working for you. This is the actual sales page, not Lead Lightning. Lead Lightning is a one-time $7. Power Lead System is $30 or $54 a month. $30 with everything here. 54 is with the affiliate option. And you have an actual, what they call it, the AI inbound assistant. You have one of the inbound assistants automatically programmed into your website so you can see how it works. And so, anyways, there's a lot of good things here. The AI Automation Academy's training is really, really solid. And even if you just join for the AI Automation Academy and do nothing else, I highly, highly, highly recommend it. There's a lot of programs out there. Everybody's teaching AI. It's like when SEO was a big thing. I remember meeting a guy who said, yeah, my cat does SEO. Like, everybody does it, you know. Just like Jordan Belfort made a joke about podcasts. You know, everybody has a podcast. Now everybody's doing AI. But I will say this training right here will separate you from the masses and doing the AI. And there's lots more to come. Conversion GPTs, auto launch agents, AI. There's so much more still coming. So faceless videos, print on demand, merch, cold outreach, have AI call your leads, crazy stuff. So anyways, wrapping this video up, Lead Lightning link will be below this video. It's going to look like this. Opt in, join Lead Lightning, one-time $7. The AI is going to follow up with you. Neil's going to schedule an appointment with you. You talk to him about all the stuff. You want to go all in, earn $1,500 commissions. Or if you just want the AI Automation Academy, I think it's on like $20 a month. Super cheap. And just go with that. Anyway, wrapping this video up. See you in the next one. Peace!